In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change company details on QuickBooks Online. Whether you're updating your company name, contact information, or even your logo, these are all significant steps towards ensuring your business records are accurate and up to date. Let's get started and walk you through this straightforward process. First things first, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks account. Head over to the QuickBooks site and click on the Sign In option. You'll then be presented with a few choices. For our purposes, be sure to select QuickBooks Online. This will take you to the next sign in screen. Once you're there, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password, then click Continue. Make sure you have these credentials on hand. If you've forgotten them, there's an option to reset your password, so don't worry, QuickBooks can guide you through recovering that information. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your dashboard where you'll see the settings gear icon. Click on this icon to bring up a drop-down menu with various options. From these options, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This area contains all sorts of settings related to your QuickBooks account, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section when you get the chance. In the Account and Settings menu, look for the Company tab. Clicking on this will reveal all the company details that you are able to modify. This is your go-to spot for maintaining the most crucial information about your business within QuickBooks. From here you can update the company name, contact details, logo and address. Do take your time ensuring that each detail you update is accurate, as this information often appears on invoices and other documentation sent to customers or partners. After entering your updated information, it's essential not to overlook the final step, clicking on Save. This ensures all the changes you've made are successfully recorded. When you hit Save, QuickBooks updates your account with the new company details, making certain your system reflects your current business profile. And that's it, simple and quick, isn't it? You've now successfully updated your company details in QuickBooks Online. Keeping these details updated is crucial to maintaining professional interactions with clients and partners. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out more of our QuickBooks guides for deeper insights and tips. See you in the next tutorial.